guys, what's up? It's Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the products that I got in my January Boxy Charm subscription box. I know I'm a little bit late in the game here because it is February, but you know what? It's better late than never. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. To start things off, I've already gone and moisturized my face. Now I'm just going to use my Pores No More Luminizer Primer by DR.BRANDT, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face and use my fingers to blend that in. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in Natural Buff. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. And with a flat brush, I'm just going to use that to blend everything together. To conceal my under eyes, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Cool Beige. And I'm basically just going to apply that where needed to cover up my dark circles and redness. And with a damp beauty sponge, I'm just going to use that to blend everything into place as well. Going in with another Maybelline product, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light medium, and with a powder brush, I'm just going to use that to apply the powder on my face to set everything into gear. To bake my eyes, I'm going to be using, you guessed it, another Maybelline product. This is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in Translucent, and I'm just going to use that underneath my eyes till I am fully baked. And now going in with my Morphe contouring palette, I'm going to use this shade right here and use a flat brush. I don't even know what kind of brush this is. And basically just apply that on my face to contour and give my face some contrast and dimension and basically give me that life that it needs because I don't want to look too pale. Yeah, and then just going to go in with the same brush and blend that all in. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm basically just going to outline the shape of my eyebrows very carefully and fill them in after with the same pencil. And as you guys can see, I am using my Heart Defensor mirror here. This is her highlight, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using this Glam Metals eyeshadow palette that also came in my subscription box. Taking the shade Wild Thing, I'm going to use a blending brush and just apply that on my crease and a little bit above it and just lightly blend it till it looks nice and soft. All the colors in this palette are absolutely gorgeous, and now I'm going to be taking the shade Rebel with an eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to apply that right on the lid. This is like a really nice bronzy color and it just pops the eyes out even more. And now to add a little bit of definition to smoke it out, I'm going to use the shade The Wicked, and with a little pencil brush, I'm just going to apply that right on the corner of my eyes, just focusing on the corners. And then I'm going to go in with the same blending brush and blend that all in to soften up the look. For the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Smoky Eye Pencil by Essence, and yeah, I'm going to just do this off camera because I'm not perfect. So I'm back here and I'm just going to be using that same pencil and I'm going to apply that to my waterline. And I'm also going to apply it a little bit underneath just to give my eyes a little bit more of a pop. And with the sponge applicator on the other end of the pencil, I'm just going to use that to smudge that out. Now for my favorite part, it is the eyelashes. To apply the mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist Mascara, and I believe I got this in my last month's Boxy Charm box, and I have to say that this is my favorite mascara at the moment. My eyes are now done baking, so I'm just going to dust that off and move on to the rest of my face. Now moving on and using this Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm going to use the Mineral Glow shade and just apply that all over my face just to give me that bronze sun-kissed look, just so that I'm not too washed out. And then for the blush, I'm going to be using Blushing Glow and applying that to my cheeks. In the same palette, I'm going to be using Afterglow for my highlight, and I think that this is absolutely gorgeous. I want a little bit more of a pop for that glow, so I'm just going to be spraying a little bit of my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray to give that glow, that pop. For my lips, I'm going to be using GIRLACTIK Beauty Matte Lip Paint, and I also got this in the January Boxy Charm subscription box. I have to say that this is such a pretty color. After that, guys, that is pretty much it. This is my look that I created and I absolutely love it. I love the natural looking glow that it gives off, and I have to say that the lip really complements the eyeshadow color. So this month's box really came through, and that highlight though, guys, bam, it is really popping. I hope you guys liked this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.